Well, it's definitely been a minute since my last video. Reason for that is basically I just fell off the horse, if you will, and Corona or COVID-19 didn't help the situation either. I've had mega things to deal with being a travel photographer. It's my main bread and butter. I don't think I'm a travel photographer anymore. Well, when this all blows over, hopefully we can get back to normal life. What's happening here is actually part 2 of the water pipe installation. It's been a long time since the first one, but we finally managed to get the machinery we needed to cut this path down the edge of our boundary, so we can lay the water pipe down. I'm walking now from, if you remember the previous video, we cut a section across the road with the TLB to put the water pipe in. The road is behind me, so I'm walking down the boundary line of the farm towards the main house. So I'm basically walking the journey that the water is going to take. So yeah, stick around and we'll see how we get on today with putting in this water pipe. This has been a bit of a multiple day, multiple part endeavor, but you can see now we are finally laying this water pipe from the main bit where we cut across the road so many weeks ago, and now we are actually unrolling the black pipe all the way down to the house. It's about about 600 meters, something like that. It comes in 100-meter rolls. We roll out 100 meters, make a join, roll out 100 meters, make a join, cut, copy, paste until we get to the house, and then it kind of will go into 2 5,000 liter tanks, and then from there will be pumped either up to a header tank or pumped straight to the house. Still to be decided. So yeah, this is this video. It's kind of part 2 of the water pipe installation, which has been filmed higgledy-piggledy over a few days, but this is it. So why roll it out, you might ask? The thing is, if you don't roll it and you just tie one end and you hold the other end and you start pulling like a big piece of string, it kinks like a... So you have to actually roll it out like a big wheel so that it rolls out without causing those kinks, because once you get a kink in there, it can split the side wall of the water pipe and then you've got to start all over again. So we've just rolled the first one out. I'm in the car now, and I'm gonna drive down to the second connection. We're gonna connect up and then roll the next one out. Two down. veggie. And that is right up to our garden fence, basically. The veggie patch is just on the other side of this little fence. So not bad for, I was going to say a couple of hours work, but it's been many days in the making. A little bit here, a little bit there, but this afternoon we rolled out a good over 600 meters of pipeline. So yeah, really looking forward to a shower and some dinner. It's now 6:15, sun is set. Not bad for today. We'll pick it up tomorrow. We are finally here. We've put the 2 tanks up here ready to go to catch the water coming from the main borehole pump more than 1 kilometer away. That's going to feed into our 2 tanks which we've just installed, and then the tanks are going to go through and be the feed for the house. That's just so that we can have 10,000 liters as a buffer in case something happened with the pump or whatever. If it ran straight from the borehole pump to the house, something could go wrong and you are stuck without any water. So I'm just about to turn on the pipe to start filling the tanks, and then life is completely different for us. No more driving and fetching water on the back of the pickup. So yes, I'm about to turn on this tap. Here we go. Oh gosh, oh, you can hear it in the tank.